Imagine turning a couple $1,000 into a life-changing amount of money. What would you do? Buy a house? Travel the world? Start your own business? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of tech stocks, and I'm about to reveal two companies that could be your golden ticket. We're talking about a global leader in something you use every single day, and a pioneer in online shopping and cloud computing. These aren't just companies, they're empires, and their success could be your success. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Alright guys, first up we're heading straight to the heart of the tech world, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, often just called TSM by those in the know. If you've ever wondered who's really powering the digital revolution, look no further. TSMC is the silent force behind almost every piece of technology you use daily, and their story is nothing short of incredible. Imagine a company that's like the Willy Wonka of microchips, except instead of chocolate, they're crafting the tiny, intricate brains that make our modern world tick. TSMC is the hidden giant, the unsung hero behind the scenes, quietly powering your smartphones, laptops, tablets, cars, gaming consoles, and yes, even your refrigerator and washing machine. If it's smart, there's a good chance TSMC had a hand in making it smart. Let's put it this way. TSMC is the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, and their technology is nothing short of mind-blowing. Their factories, known as fabs, are some of the most advanced facilities on the planet. Picture robotic arms gliding through spotless clean rooms, engineers in full-body suits monitoring machines that operate at atomic precision. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now, every single day. The chips they produce are so small, so powerful, and so complex, it's almost hard to wrap your head around it. We're talking about components measured in nanometers, thousands of times thinner than a human hair. Yet, inside these tiny chips are billions of transistors, all working together to process information at lightning speed. Every time you open an app, stream a video, play a game, or even just send a text, there's a good chance TSMC's handiwork is making it possible. Think about it. Your phone, your laptop, your smartwatch, your car's navigation system, your smart TV. These devices are all powered by chips, and TSMC is the company that makes those chips a reality for the world's biggest brands. Apple, AMD, Nvidia, Qualcomm, and countless others rely on TSMC to bring their innovations to life. Without TSMC, the tech world as we know it would grind to a halt. And here's the kicker, the demand for TSMC's chips is only going up and fast. We're living in an era where everything is becoming smarter and more connected. 5G networks are rolling out across the globe, artificial intelligence is transforming industries, self-driving cars are inching closer to reality, and the metaverse is on the horizon. All of these innovations need powerful, efficient chips, and TSMC is leading the charge to supply them. Just imagine the scale of this transformation. Billions of devices, from the tiniest sensors in your fitness tracker to the massive servers powering cloud computing, all need advanced chips. TSMC is at the center of this digital explosion, making sure the world stays connected, efficient, and innovative. Their chips are the invisible threads weaving together the fabric of our digital lives. But TSMC isn't just resting on its laurels. They're investing billions, yes, billions of dollars every year into research and development. Their engineers and scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing new manufacturing techniques, shrinking chip sizes, and boosting performance. They're building new factories, expanding into new markets, and staying several steps ahead of the competition. Why does all this matter to you? Well, if you're interested in the future of technology, or if you're looking for smart investment opportunities, TSMC should definitely be on your radar. This isn't just a company making widgets, it's a company shaping the future of how we live, work, and play. As the world becomes more digital, more automated, and more connected, the demand for TSMC's chips is set to skyrocket. Investing in TSMC is like investing in the backbone of the entire tech industry. As more and more devices come online, as artificial intelligence becomes mainstream, as electric vehicles and smart cities become the norm, TSMC's role will only grow. The company is positioned at the very heart of this technological revolution, and that means massive growth potential for years to come. And let's talk numbers for a second. TSMC's financials are rock solid. They've shown consistent growth, strong profit margins, and a track record of weathering economic storms. Their client list reads like a who's who of the tech world, and their ability to innovate keeps them ahead of the curve. For investors who get in early and do their homework, the potential for big returns is very real. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research. Dive into their annual reports, check out their growth projections, and see how they're expanding into new markets like automotive chips and high-performance computing. TSMC isn't just riding the wave of technology, they're helping to create it. TSMC is a company built to last. They've weathered global chip shortages, trade wars, and fierce competition, and they've come out stronger every time. Their leadership is visionary, their workforce is world-class, and their commitment to innovation is unmatched. This is a company that's not just surviving but thriving, and shaping the future in the process. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an investor, or just someone curious about what makes your favorite gadgets tick, keep an eye on TSMC. They're not just a company, they're a cornerstone of the digital age, and their influence is only going to grow from here. Alright guys, next up we're diving into a company that truly needs no introduction. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual shopper, or someone who's just ordered a last-minute birthday gift, chances are, Amazon has touched your life in some way. It's a name that's become synonymous with convenience, speed, and innovation. But what's really fascinating is how Amazon has grown from a humble online bookstore into one of the most influential and powerful companies on the planet. Seriously, who hasn't ordered something from Amazon? From books to electronics, groceries to furniture, and even pet supplies, Amazon has become the go-to destination for just about anything you can imagine. It's almost hard to remember a time before you could get what you needed delivered to your doorstep in just a day or two. That's the kind of impact Amazon has had on our daily lives. But here's the thing, Amazon is so much more than just an online store. While most people know Amazon for its massive marketplace, the company's reach extends far beyond e-commerce. It's a tech giant, a logistics innovator, a cloud computing leader, and even a player in entertainment and artificial intelligence. Amazon's ecosystem is vast, and it's designed to keep customers coming back for more, whether they're shopping, streaming, or running a business. They're a global powerhouse, a pioneer in e-commerce, cloud computing, and so much more. Let's start with their online shopping dominance. Amazon's fulfillment centers are marvels of modern logistics, using advanced robotics and data analytics to process millions of orders every day. Their Prime membership program has set a new standard for customer loyalty, offering not just fast shipping, but also exclusive deals, streaming video, and even grocery delivery. Amazon has revolutionized the way we shop, offering an unmatched selection, lightning-fast delivery, and a customer experience that's second to none. The company's obsession with customer satisfaction is legendary. Everything from their easy returns process to their 24/7 customer service is designed to make shopping as seamless as possible. And with innovations like one-day and even same-day delivery in many cities, Amazon has set the bar for what consumers expect from online shopping. But they didn't stop there. Amazon saw the potential of cloud computing early on, and they went all in with Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This move was a game-changer, not just for Amazon, but for the entire tech industry. AWS provides the backbone for countless websites, apps, and businesses, offering everything from data storage to machine learning tools. It's a massive, high-margin business that generates billions in revenue and profits for Amazon every year. Now, AWS is the backbone of the internet, powering countless websites, apps, and businesses worldwide. Think about it. Netflix, Spotify, Airbnb, even government agencies and Fortune 500 companies rely on AWS to keep their operations running smoothly. It's not just about storage or computing power. AWS offers advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and security solutions that help businesses innovate and scale faster than ever before. They're everywhere. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Amazon is constantly innovating, pushing into new markets like grocery delivery with Amazon Fresh, healthcare with Amazon Care, and even space exploration with Blue Origin. They've launched cashierless Amazon Go stores, developed smart home devices like Alexa, and are experimenting with drone deliveries. The company's willingness to experiment and invest in the future is what sets it apart from the competition. They're like the real-life version of a tech company from a sci-fi movie, constantly expanding their reach and changing the world as we know it. Imagine a world where your groceries are delivered by drones, your home is powered by smart devices, and your favorite shows are streamed instantly, all thanks to Amazon's technology. The company's vision for the future is bold, and they're not afraid to take risks to make it a reality. Now let's talk about why this matters to you as an investor. Amazon is a company that's built for growth. Their business model is designed to scale, and they're always looking for new ways to expand their reach and increase their revenue streams. Whether it's through international expansion, new product categories, or cutting-edge technology, Amazon is always on the move. They have a proven track record of success, a visionary founder in Jeff Bezos, and a relentless focus on innovation. Even as leadership transitions to Andy Jassy, the company's culture of experimentation and long-term thinking remains strong. Amazon's leadership is known for making bold bets. Sometimes they fail, but when they succeed, the payoff can be enormous. This willingness to disrupt themselves and the industries they touch is a key reason why Amazon continues to thrive. They're not afraid to take risks, to disrupt industries, and to create entirely new markets. From cloud computing to artificial intelligence, from logistics to entertainment, Amazon is always looking for the next big thing. Their investments in automation, robotics, and sustainability are shaping the future of business and technology, and with every new venture, they're building an even stronger foundation for long-term growth. Investing in Amazon is like investing in the future of, well, everything. They're a company that's constantly evolving, constantly growing, and constantly finding new ways to dominate. Whether it's through expanding their logistics network, developing new technologies, or entering entirely new industries, Amazon's ambition knows no bounds. For investors, that means the potential for significant returns as the company continues to shape the world around us. And that means massive potential for investors who believe in their vision. Of course, no investment is without risk, and Amazon faces plenty of challenges, from regulatory scrutiny to fierce competition. But if you're looking for a company with a track record of innovation, a culture of relentless improvement, and a vision for the future, Amazon is hard to beat. So, there you have it, guys. Two tech giants that could make you rich for life. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, keeping an eye on innovative companies in the tech sector can be a game changer. The world of technology is always evolving, and those who stay ahead of the curve often reap the biggest rewards. But remember, it's not just about chasing the next big thing. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that align with your financial goals. If you're looking for even more exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides to help you navigate the market, I've got something special for you. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. By becoming a member, you'll unlock a treasure trove of resources designed to help you succeed. From detailed stock breakdowns and market forecasts to exclusive Quanda sessions and community discussions, our Patreon is the perfect place to deepen your knowledge and connect with like-minded investors. So, head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart, ambitious investors. You'll be joining a network of people who are passionate about learning, sharing ideas, and supporting each other on the journey to financial success. Don't miss out on the chance to connect, collaborate, and grow alongside fellow investors who share your goals. The link is right there in the description below. Just click, sign up, and you'll instantly unlock a world of valuable investing resources and community support. Now I want to hear from you. What other tech companies do you think have the potential to explode in value this year? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your feedback and learning about the companies you're excited about. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome stock content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Your support means the world to me and helps this channel grow, allowing me to bring you even more valuable investing tips, stock picks, and market updates every single week. Thanks so much for watching and for being part of this amazing community. Until next time, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.